Hi! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up for Ahsay Managed Backup as a Service or AMBaaS, a secure and easy-to-use platform designed for MSPs who want to offer reliable backup services at competitive prices, or businesses looking for affordable backups for their data, fully hosted and managed by Ahsay. After successful registration, I'll walk you through the process of installing the AhsayOBM backup agent on Windows. If you want to learn how, let's go to my screen and get started. To install AhsayOBM, first, customer must sign up for the free trial of AMBaaS. To do this, just go to www.ahsay.com. Select the free trial button at the upper right part of the page. Make sure to select the Ahsay Managed Backup tab, then scroll down. Fill out the registration form. Once you have successfully registered for the free trial, you may now proceed with the installation. Start by downloading the AhsayOBM backup agent. To do this, open the email address you used to register for the free trial account. Click on the email with the subject Ahsay Product Evaluation Request. Click the link to the download page of your AMBaaS console. Under the AhsayOBM tab, navigate to the Windows section and select EXE Online Installer to begin downloading the installer. Once download is complete, double-click on the EXE file to begin the installation. Follow the installation wizard to complete the process. Select I accept the agreement after reading the license agreement before clicking on Next to continue. Choose the installation directory. As we will be using the default setting, click Next. For this part, you will be asked to select the program group to which the software will be installed. The default setting is anyone who uses this computer. When this is selected, the AhsayOBM system tray icon will be visible to Windows users and backup notifications will be displayed on the Windows system tray. On the contrary, when you select the other option, the AhsayOBM system tray icon will not be visible and backup notifications will not be displayed on the Windows system tray. Then click Install to start the installation. The AhsayOBM program files are downloading. This can take a bit of time depending on your internet connection. After installation, you can now launch AhsayOBM by checking on the checkbox before clicking on Finish. When AhsayOBM is launched for the first time after being installed, two options are shown: Free Trial and Login. As we already have a login account, click Login. Once you're redirected to the login page of AhsayOBM, enter your credentials to access your account. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on Windows. Very quick and easy. Sign up for our free trial today to safeguard critical data across unlimited devices, PCs, notebooks, servers, NAS, or mobile devices. AMBaaS has you covered. With flexible annual or monthly subscription plans tailored to your needs, you can offer a professional, cost-effective service without the need for upfront investment in hardware, storage, or software licenses. Don't wait. Secure, reliable, and affordable data protection with Ahsay is just a click away.